Left bar on the head.
Got it. Shields up.
Gate coming down. Steady. Lock.
Tail's clear. The next one ready.
Pressure holding at 58. Blade temperature steady.
Separation line is clean. Continue the run.
Copy. Advancing another 20 centimeters.
Pressure's holding at 155. Want me to back it down?
Drop 10 psi. He's almost through the rinse phase.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Nope. No throttle here.
Chrome at target range.
Let's scan it. Scale variance within tolerance.
Inside the chamber, vapor breathes around the hide. Droplets gather, glinting like molten glass. Scales loosen, fibers relax.